Hello, my name is Monica Maribel, and this week's assignment was to talk about financial reports such as balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. Each financial report plays their own separate role in managing budgets within a healthcare facility. Financial accounting in healthcare is in charge of maintaining the healthcare facility's financial health and works closely with balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements as they determine the healthcare facility's overall performance and viability. Balance sheets displays assets, liabilities, and equity. A balance sheet uses an equation known as liability plus net worth equals the assets. Balance sheets usually represent the last day of the fiscal year. Income statements report revenues, expenses, losses, and net income. Income statements are prepared monthly, annually, and quarterly. Income statements also have an equation of their own, which is expenses minus revenues equals the net income. Cash flow statements report cash that comes in and out that the healthcare facility receives from operations, investments, capital, and financing. Cash flow statements are calculated differently compared to balance sheets and income statements. Within a healthcare facility, the balance sheet allows access to financial health by helping managers manage if the facility has enough assets to meet their liabilities. By having a balance sheet, a healthcare facility will be able to look back on previous statements and determine how the numbers have changed over time. Income statements analyze a healthcare facility's operations and management. Analyzing the operations and management will provide which products and services are profitable and which are not. Income statements can also be used for ratio analysis. Income statement ratios will allow a healthcare facility and a manager to analyze their financial statement to understand how well the facility is performing overall. Cash statements will help a healthcare facility identify the source of cash during a specific period. Cash statements play a role in determining how the cash was used during operations, investments, and finance. All three, the balance sheet, income statement, and cash statements, assist healthcare managers in managing their annual budgets throughout the year.